Today we will learn some sentences that will be useful to us every day while speaking English. If you want to speak English quickly, you need to learn short sentences. But you have to learn sentences that are used all the time when speaking. Only then you will learn to speak English quickly. Learn and practice these sentences. Then you can improve your English quickly. Watch your step. Watch your step. It means a warning to someone to walk or act carefully. Won't go. Won't go. Won't is short form of will not. Won't speak. Won't speak. Did she go? Did she go? Didn't go. Didn't go. Didn't say. Didn't say. Do you have that? Do you have that? Does she go? Does she go? Get them something to eat. Get them something to eat. Give me a hint. Give me a hint. Give me one. Give me one. Go please. Go please. Had she gone? Had she gone? Hadn't gone? Hadn't gone? He too is with me now. He too is with me now. Heartiest congratulations. Heartiest congratulations. Hey, you are still here? Hey, you are still here? How do I look? How do I look? I really like this. I really like this. You acted very smart. You acted very smart. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Is she going? Is she going? Isn't going? Isn't going? It is almost evening. It is almost evening. It was full. It was full. It's up to you. It's up to you. Keep on the lookout. Keep on the lookout. I was concerned about you. I was concerned about you. Let me know when they come. Let me know when they come. Neither of us forgot about it. Neither of us forgot about it. No way. No way. Nobody does. Nobody does. Now hear me out. Now hear me out. See if the sweets are here. See if the sweets are here. She accepted this. She accepted this. Then where is it? Then where is it? This way, please. This way, please. Was she going? Was he going? We will surely come. We will surely come. What nonsense are you talking? What nonsense are you talking? Whatever, just start. Whatever, just start. Will she go? Will she go? Yeah, done. Yeah, done. You look like a devil. You look like a devil. You must have seen. You must have seen. Didn't you say that? Didn't you say that? I passed it. I passed it. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.